Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up double press to open any game. Just double press in your lock button, then open any game. So simply and provide how can easily set up. Double press, then open game. Open settings, scroll down, press on display, scroll down and click on to side button option. Make sure to turn on, open it and select any on, like select apps, open settings and you just select any game or use any apps. Like I'm select this game, and when I'm double press, then open this game.